no, 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 no. Marquez.
Alaska? Move! Fudge! Man, relax. Ain't nobody trying to look at your little wiener. It's about Alaska. You ain't gonna believe what they did.
Told you I don't want to know.
It's bad. It's worse than I ever seen. This is too damn far. What'd I tell you? Her life's library. We can't let this shit go unavenged.
If we do this, we're letting her off the hook for all of it.
We don't have a choice. Weekday Warriors made sure of that. Right, Pudge?
This is awful. I didn't cause it, so I can't be a part of fixing it. Sorry.
Man, screw him. We got all the firepower we need right here.
That's right. The OG3. Cobra Creek's original pranksters.
We're about to pull off the most epic prank the Creek has ever seen.
What did you have in mind?